Guys, this is Kepler and you're watching Kepler Talks. Now, we will again trade on binary.com. See my balance here, $155.44. Okay, now today date is 19th of December 2018. Okay, so I'm trading here from India. Okay, now first of all I chose volatility index 100. Okay, now I'm trading in digits match differs. Okay, so let's start our trade from $50. Okay, La first of all select this large digit stats. Okay, 03. We have won our first trade and our profit is 4.95 cents. Okay, yes. Now, two. Again, we have won. See my balance, $165. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Ooh. Third continuous win. Okay. Yo. Yes. Again. $20 profit. 4 continuous wins. Okay. Now my target is completing $200 today. Okay. So be patient. Yes. Boom. Hoo hoo. Boom. Boom. This is boom boom. Hey. Yes. Hoo hoo. Again profit. Hmm. Boom. Ho ho ho. Now this will be my last trade and I will surely win this trade. Okay. this is my last trade. Okay, yes, yes. Oh, $199.99. So guys, this is the most profitable uh, trade. uh, uh, so let me first of all introduce this system to you. This is binary.com and this is digit magic matches differs. Okay, now you just saw how I traded in this trading system. Okay, so these are two uh, stats here. One is red, one is the less stats of digits, and these green are the highest stats. So choose between them. Okay, one by one. You will be more successful on binary.com. Okay, yes. So my current profit today, I made uh $45 in profit. Okay, so guys, if you have any question regarding this binary.com, don't hesitate to ask me. Okay, if you want to join the system, there is a link below and you will get a bonus on your first deposit. Okay guys, bye bye.